Hi, I'm John from NYC. Today, do a few things. First, I want to introduce you. This, uh, this is jjajangmyeon, also known as black bean sauce. I think I'm saying it backwards. Noodle with black bean sauce. Anyways, this is microwavable food, but in this house don't have any microwave. So, and I really don't want to eat this thing cold. So what I'm going to do is to heat these up, heat this food up without the microwave. Now let's get things ready. Oh, let me get some water on. By the way, I'm gonna use this methanol alcohol. That over here. Okay, that's a little more than 1 ounce, slightly. Now, I'm going to take all the water. Okay, water is starting to boil. First thing I'm going to do, take this down. I'm not gonna shut off the fire, but I'm gonna put that into simmer mode, just a little bit. Put the water back on, and then I'm gonna put this inside. It's hot. And all you gotta do, just wait a few minutes, then you will have the hot meal. Well, it's much easier and faster to have a microwave, but when you don't have a microwave, this is one of the ways that you can heat up the food. I think it got warm enough. Let's see. Okay, now let's see how this jjajangmyeon is. Okay. Hey guys. Came out like this. This half sauce, other half noodles, but for the price, I guess it's good, but for a person like me, portion is pretty small. Let's mix this good. Okay, after I mix it well, let's see what this tastes look like.
Yeah.
Let's see, how does this taste? First thing I could taste, this is a little too sweet compared to original jjajangmyeon in Korea or at the real restaurant. This is a bit sweet. Let's see. Minus that sauce being a little too sweet, it's not too bad, but people who are a bit sensitive to the smell of the flour from the actual noodles, they might not like this because the scent of flour is a little bit strong. I don't know why, but the scent of flour is a bit strong, but also sauce is a little sweet. But besides that, I think it's pretty good. For the price, this is not bad at all. I mean, this is I think I paid about 40 baht, 45 baht, somewhere there at 7-Eleven. So it's not too bad for the price, guys. This definitely is not a meal. This is something, I should say, like snack, something to get you by to the next meal, but it's not a meal, not by the portion anyway. Okay, guys, finish the whole thing. For the price, this is not bad at all. Okay, guys, and so hopefully this video was helpful, especially the part that how you can heat up the microwavable food using boiled water. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribing will be really nice. Till next time, guys, bye.